1 of this video. In part 1, I was telling you about the 4 whorls, in which I told you just about 2 whorls, and now in this part 2nd, I will tell you about the next 2 whorls, which are Androecium and Gynoecium. So let's get started. Now, the third part of a flower is Androecium. Androecium is the third whorl of a flower, which is made up of stamens, and each stamen is made up of thin thread-like filament which at tip bears an anther. And the anther contains pollen sacs which produce a yellow powdery material consisting pollen grains. And the pollen grains contain male gametes. Hence, the androecium is known as the male reproductive part of a flower. Let's move to the last part of the flower, which is the innermost whorl and which is known as gynoecium. Gynoecium is made up of carpel or pistil, and pistil is divided into 3 parts. The first is swollen ovary and a tube-like style arising from the ovary, which has an expanded stigma at its tip. The stigma receives the pollen grains and the style transfers the pollen grains into the ovary. The ovary contains small rounded bodies called ovules, which contain the female gamete, and for this reason gynoecium is called the female reproductive part of a flower. Now in this way I completed the part 1 and part 2nd by telling you about the 4 whorls of a flower. Now in part 3rd I will tell you about pollination, how pollination occurs, and also I will tell you about the agents of pollination. So be curious to watch the part 3rd. Let's meet in part 3rd video. Till that, give like to this channel, subscribe it and share this video with your friends. Bye.